Greetings from Texas. All right, today we're going to take a look at a LED landscape lighting system. This company PETLIK, P-E-T-L-I-K, reached out, asked me if I would review and do a video showing their product. In exchange, I get to keep the product. I'm going to have all the links. The set is available on Amazon. So with that said, let's unbox it and let's see what you get. You're going to get 4 lights with stands, and these will thread onto the light system or each individual light. And here you have the power supply. Got a way to mount it on the back. It also has a photo cell, and you have different programs you can set up as far as duration and things like that. And then we'll test that out once we install it. So after we kind of take a look at this, then I'm going to show you hopefully how to install it. And it should be pretty easy. All right, here we have a bag of solderless connectors. You are probably going to need some wire cutters. I don't know yet. I got to read the directions. So far it looks pretty easy to hook up. Basically, that's it as far as what's in the box, so it should be pretty simple. So that being said, we're going to go over to my neighbor's and we're going to set it up at his place, see how it works, and give you a shot of what it looks like at nighttime. Now, each light is going to have its own toggle control. This allows you to set whether or not you want the standard white light or RGB option. The LED emitter is at the top, and they say it's very bright, so you don't want to look at it, stare at it. Each light has its own wire. Now it's pre-stripped, so that saves you an option there. This is a low voltage light. You don't want to hook it up to anything more than 240 volts. Connect the power supply to a power source, then locate your lights and string your wire. Thread the wire through the stake and then attach the stake to your light. I made a 2-inch slit to separate the wires with a box cutter. Spread the wires apart. Lay the wire in the U-shaped cap and thread on the other cap, which has a self-tapping needle. Here are the lights in action after we hook them up. And you can see the variable light modes, which are activated with a toggle switch at the base of the light. You can see it was pretty easy installation. I'll have the link for the product down in the video description with any applicable discount codes. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. You're going to be limited by the length of the cable, but the lights appear sturdy and they look pretty nice. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching.